Hello and welcome to the Insane Show. Today this is a Macintosh tutorial, and so what I'm going to show you is how to make it so your screensaver is your background. So first I'm just going to change my screensaver to something simple. So I'm just going to go with a flurry. Okay, and so now what you're going to do is you're going to need to go into your applications, and you're going to need to go to utilities, and then you're going to have to go down to Terminal, here you have Terminal. Let's turn this down. Now I will post this code in a caption or an annotation, but I'm just going to paste this here. Paste this code, and it is going to be /system/libraries/frameworks/screensavers.framework/ScreenSaverEngine.app /contents/MacOS/ScreenSaverEngine space -b background, and then you just press Enter. And congratulations, you just made your background your screensaver. Now if you want to stop this, just close the terminal window. And it reverts totally back. Thank you for watching The Insane Show, tutorials for people who need them, and please subscribe.